By the end of this video, you will know how to properly use reused content on YouTube, safely, creatively, and without getting copyright strikes. So don't skip this video as you might miss important details. Reused content is popular because it's quick, easy, and proven to attract viewers. Clips from movies, viral videos, or trending moments are instantly recognizable, which makes people watch longer. For creators, it's a way to produce content faster while tapping into already trending material. But here's the problem. Uploading content exactly as it appears elsewhere can lead to copyright claims, strikes, or demonetization. YouTube's system is strict, and channels that rely solely on reposted clips often get flagged. The key is adding value and transforming the content. Here's how you can do it. 1. Commentary and reactions. Add your voiceover or reactions to explain, review, or critique the content. 2. Compilation and mashups. Combine multiple clips into a single video and add transitions, music, or context. 3. Analysis and tutorials. Break down scenes, explain techniques, or create educational insights. 4. Creative editing. Crop, speed up, slow down, add effects, or mix clips in a way that makes it original. 5. Credit original sources. When possible, acknowledge creators to show transparency and respect. The main rule is don't just repost, remix, and enhance. If your video provides new insight, entertainment, or context, YouTube sees it as original content, even if parts are reused. So, reused content can be a powerful tool if used wisely. Transform it, add your unique touch, and you can grow your channel safely while keeping your audience entertained.